Guys, welcome back to our channel. For those of you who are new, I am Braylon. I am Cascadia Bloom's social media person. So I'm just going to actually do a short video for you guys today. Sorry. For those of you guys who don't know also, I'm quarantining at home right now, not because I'm sick, just to do my part. And so if you hear background noise, my dogs are here. Here is one of them. Come here. Say hi, bub. He is a big old mama's boy, so sorry. He literally just sits here and will sit with his head in my lap until I get up or do something. So anyways, I was interrupted by him. Sorry. We are going to do a short video today just on rehydrating. I know a lot of our customers have said they keep their flour for a long time. With that said, you guys don't want to keep it for too long. I would say never keep flour for more than like a year. I don't even keep flour for that long just because it does go bad. It has a shelf life, especially if it's not being stored properly. But we'll do another video on storage. As of today, we're just going to do a rehydrating video. I'm not actually showing you how to rehydrate. I'm just going to talk about it with you guys. But there's a few different things you can do. First, you're going to want a sealable container. You can do a Ziploc bag, a mason jar, which is my favorite. If you're doing a large amount, like a pound or more, then you can do like a food grade bucket. Want something that seals, okay? Something that seals, something that's not going to let any other moisture or outside particles in, and cannot stress this enough, it needs to be clean. That doesn't mean just like have something else in it and wipe it out like clean. It needs to be either sterilized and fully dry, but clean. Clean, okay? Because you don't want any other particles getting in that can cause tons of problems with your flour that you do not want. So, getting into hydrating, you can use a few different things. My personal favorite, which a lot of people actually tell me is not the best idea, is a little piece of banana peel. I like that because it gives a kind of sweeter flavor with your bud while it's rehydrating. The reason people don't recommend that and don't like that is because as for anyone that has ever seen a banana peel that's like sat for a while and like is opened, it gets gross and that can cause problems, especially if it is forgotten or left too long in the bud. Like I said though, I just like it if I have like a little baggie or like just a little jar of something that I want to rehydrate. I'll throw like a little chunk in there of it and maybe let it sit for like an hour or so, if that, and that is it. That is not recommended for like more use or like more quantity. Sorry, my words are not here today. Another list of things that you can use is a damp paper towel. I cannot stress damp enough. You don't want it to be dripping wet. That is going to cause problems in your bud. You can use a little piece of watermelon rind or like an orange peel. Again, those are good ones for adding like a little bit of sweetness to your flour. You still don't want to use those ones for too long though, or for too much, because again, they get kind of gross. I'm sorry, my dogs are bumping into each other over there, because that can get gross. And I'm so sorry, my dog just farted. Anyways, that can get gross. Good timing. That can get gross. You don't want that sitting for too long. You don't want to have something that you're going to forget about like that. If it's something that you're going to have to leave and come back to, I recommend the damp paper towel or a tortilla. Both of those will just dry out. They're not going to cause too many problems in there, but they're also not going to add any flavor or anything. So just keep that in mind with how much or what kind you are wanting to hydrate, okay? Tortilla and damp paper towel are probably the easiest options. Literally just throw it in there with it. I would say, you know, size based on how much you're wanting to do. For like a whole tortilla, I would say that is for like a whole bucket, whereas, you know, a smaller thing, you're just gonna need a small piece, maybe a piece that covers the top of it. If you're doing like a fruit rind or something, you're gonna want something to hold like a barrier there, toothpicks, anything, so that you're not having direct contact with the bud, because again, that can get gross and have some cross-contamination problems there that you don't want. Okay, so those are just a few ideas for you guys. Again, none of these are like super foolproof, especially the fruit ones. Tortilla and paper towel, like I said, are going to be your safer options for stuff, but those are just a few different options for you. So if you're storing for a long time, or you forget and leave your container open or something and it dries out, it gets a little stale, these are all options for you to get the best use and flavors out of your bud. Okay, so that is it for today. Just a little helpful tip for you guys. I will talk to you guys later and have a good day.